You early Christmas present to me. Got a new juicer, the Optimum. So from Froothie, let's check this out. Cold press juicer. Tad excited. Excited. So now I've assembled the cold press juicer from Froothie in the kitchen, looking lovely, looking good. This is the Optimum H3000 second generation cold press juicer from Froothie. This is going to be dope. So I'm going to warm it up, keep easy on it for the first round, just with some watermelon juice. All right, this is great. Listen to it. It's not that loud. It's actually really quiet. So yeah, watermelon goes in. It gets crushed up, juice comes out, very little pulp. I'm loving it, loving it. Look at it. I love that you can just watch it as well. This is sick. So quiet. Me likey. So there you have it. Cold pressed watermelon juice. Amazing. You get so much yield from a watermelon, you get so much juice from a watermelon. I'm gonna add in, because I actually haven't got any mint